Hello students, good evening all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Library Science with Rakesh Meena sir and our teams. So guys, today we are going to start our video test series number 6. This video was helpful for every library examinations and mostly these are the examinations. So read carefully and watch now. The first question of our test series is Lycos is a part of. Option number A is the search engine. Option number B is the programming language. Option number C are database and option number D is the database vendor. So tick the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question option number A. Option number A is denoted by option number A, search engine. So Lycos is a part of search engine and we are discuss a few points of Lycos. Relating to Lycos, Lycos is a web search and web portal. And it was founded in the year of 1994 and the founder of Lycos is Michael Loren. And a headquarter of Lycos is US. Okay guys, we are moving second question. Question number second is the ability to travel between electronic document using any number of alternative paths to find relevant information is known also as. Option number A is the linking, option number B is the browsing, option number C are searching and option number D is the navigating. Tick the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question option number C. C is a searching. The searching is a part of alternative path to find relevant information is known searching. Okay. Question number third. A questionnaire designed with the open-ended questions is known as. Option number A is unstructured, option number B are flexible, option number C is the closed and option number D is structured. Tick the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question option number A. Option number A is unstructured. A questionnaire is not organized, that calls unorganized. Unorganized part of data and information. This video was most important for NTA university examination, so video is too lengthy. Question number fourth is the non-sampling error. Short form is a NSE are referred to as the error of. Which type of non-sampling error? Classify the error. Option number A is the probability, option number B is the quantification, option number C is ratio and option number D is measurement. Tick the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question option number B. Option number B is quantification. We are discuss a few point for the quantification. It is the act of counting and measuring. Okay guys, counting and measuring that maps of observation and experiences into quantities. Okay, and probability is a part of statistical methods, and ratio and measurement is a part of mathematical ability. Next question of this test series is, it is a common question and ask different many examinations. So guys, watch now. Delhi Public Library was established in the year of, option number A is the 1950, option number B is 1951, option number C are 1952, and option number D is the 1953. Okay guys, so tick the correct and right answer guys. The right answer of this question, option number B. Option number B is the 1951. Delhi Public Library was established in the year of 1951, and DPL was work under the Ministry of Education. Okay, Ministry of Education under the Government of India, and DPL was financially and technical assistant was UNESCO. UNESCO was technically and financially assist. Okay guys, for the Delhi Public Library, and formally established in 27th October 1951 through first PM of India. Next question is the question number 6. Question number 6 is a analytical basis question. These are questions asked in NET examination, SET examinations, and most commonly is SLAT examinations. So read. Intellectual property rights IPR covers was, one is the patents, second is the copyrights, third is the computer programs, fourth is the censorship. The option are option A, option B, option C, and option D. Pick the correct answer, students. The correct answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is denoted by first and second are correct. Yes, obviously first and second option are corrected. Patent is a part of intellectual property right, copyright is a part of intellectual property right, and trademark also is the part of intellectual property right. Okay guys, next question is the question number 7th. The 7th question asks, the libraries identified by InflibNet to act as a document delivery centers are. First is the University of Hyderabad Library, second is the Lucknow University Library, third is the Guwahati University Library, fourth is the Punjab University Library. These are options shows, and tick the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is the first and fourth. First is the University of Hyderabad Library. Yes, is the part of document delivery center. Second is the Punjab University Library, Chandigarh. Yes, it is also part of document delivery center. InfliBnet, it means information and library network. Its headquarters also located in Ahmedabad. Next question is the test series R. Question number 8. Which of the following are trade bibliographies? First is the books in print. Second is the Indian National Library, bibliography. Third is the Indian books in print. Fourth is the British National Bibliography. So guys, the options are, option number A is the first and second are correct. Option number B is the second and third are correct. Option number C is the first and third are correct. Option number D is the second and fourth are correct. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is the first and third are correct. Yes, obviously books in print and Indian books in print also known as a trade bibliography. Okay, the trade bibliography is objective are to selling purpose and describe purpose. And option number second and fourth is also national bibliography. Next question is the question number 9th. Ninth question are, which of the following are maintained to provide selective disseminations of information's SDI services? Option number A is the author profile. Option number B is library profile. Option number C is the document profile, and option number D is the user profile. So guys, check the right and tick the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is denoted by third and fourth. Third is the document profile. Yes, it is also included to SDI, and user profile is also included in SDI. SDI is a part of reference services. Question number 10 is the, which of the following are modes of formation of subjects? First is the classification, second is the agglomeration, third is the denudation, and fourth is the division. The codes are, option number A is first and second are correct. Option number B is the first and third are correct. Option number C is the second and third are correct. Option number D is the second and fourth are correct. So guys, click the right and correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is the second and third are correct. Second option is the agglomerations and third is the denudations. These are the modes of formation as subject. Question number is 11. The 11th question asked is very good question. The components in a delegation to authority are, first is the authority, second is the leadership, third is the responsibility, fourth is the accountability. The codes are is option A, option B, option C, and option D. Tick the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is the authority, responsibility, and accountability. It is a totally part of components in a delegation of authority. These are a part. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the test series, and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the news update and new video lecture series. Next question is question number 12th. 12th question is, the following are used as a transmission media for voice and data communication. Once again I repeat the question. The following are used as a transmission media for voice and data communication? First is the copper wire, second is the plastic wire, third is the optic wire, and fourth is the coaxial cables. Tick the correct and most appropriate answer, guys. These codes are available. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay, guys. First, third, and fourth are correct. Okay. The first is the copper wire. Yes, is also uses for transmission media for voice and data communication. Second, third is the optic wire. Yes, it also to use. And fourth is the coaxial cables. Yes, and plastic cable is not also used for the transmission media for voice and data communication. Next question of our test series is question number 13. Which of the following are web browser? It is a very most question and it is a very good question. First is the Yahoo, second is the Google, third is the Netscape, fourth is the Internet Explorer. The codes are available. Option number A is the first and second are correct. Option number B is the second and third are correct. Option number C is the first and fourth are correct. Option number D is the third and fourth are correct. So guys and a student, tick the correct answer. The correct answer of this question, option number D. Option number D is denoted by third and fourth are correct. Yes, officially Netscape is a net browser and Internet Explorer is also known as a web browser. And we are discussed some few points of these questions. Web browser is a application software for accessing the www. It calls World Wide Web, and it invented by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, guys. Next is the question number 13. Few points of we are discussed some web browser, just like as a Google Chrome, Google Chrome, and second is the Dolphin web browser, third is the Mozilla Firefox, and fourth is the Opera Mini. These are example of web browsers. And next question of the test series is the stages in research process are: first, theory, second is the axiom, third is the law, and fourth is the hypothesis. These are all examples of research process. So tick the correct and right answer, guys, quickly. Option number A is the first, second, third, and fourth are corrected. Option number B is fourth, 1, third, and 2 are corrected. Option number C is the second, third, fourth, and first corrected. Option number D is the third, 1, fourth, and second corrected. The correct answer of the question, option number B. B is the firstly used in research process is hypothesis. Hypothesis is a part of mentally imagine, and second is the theory. Yes, obviously hypothesis, after that we are imagining the theory image, and third is the law, and fourth is the axiom. Next and last question of the test series. It is a very most important question and asked in different examinations. So read carefully, guys. A library which is considered as the National Library of the United States. First is the Library of Congress, second is the Smithsonian Library, third is the located at New York, fourth is the located in Washington DC. Option A are first and second are corrected. Option number B is the second and third are corrected. Option number C is the first and third are corrected. Option number D is the first and fourth are corrected. So guys, tick the correct answer guys. The correct answer of this question, option number D. Option number D is the first and fourth are corrected. So guys, first is the Library of Congress, yes also, and fourth is the located in Washington DC, yes. These options are corrected for the given question of National Library of United States, and it was founded in the year of 1800. So guys, that is series of video is ended, and please like, share and comment our video series, and please press the bell icon for the new video. Thank you guys.